On the desktop version of Spotify, managing large playlists is fast and simple thanks to built-in multi-select tools. There are three main ways to select multiple tracks. First is range selection. Click the first song, then hold the Shift key and click the last song in the list. Everything between those two clicks will highlight instantly. Second is custom selection. Hold Control on Windows or Command on Mac and click individual songs to choose non-adjacent tracks from anywhere in the playlist. Third is Select All. Press Ctrl plus A on Windows or Command plus A on Mac to highlight every track in the current playlist or library. Once multiple songs are selected, right-click to take bulk actions. You can move them to another playlist, create a new playlist, add them to your queue, or save them to liked songs. This makes reorganizing hundreds of tracks far more efficient than handling them one by one. On mobile, however, Spotify still does not offer a true bulk select feature. Songs generally must be added individually. Some third-party tools like playlist transfer apps can help with large changes, but they work outside the core app. Spotify continues focusing heavily on algorithmic playlists and user engagement tools, especially through Spotify for Artists, but mobile bulk selection remains limited for now.